Hello, everyone. Welcome to our future teacher Ova. We may introduce about the use of English for future teachers classroom communication. Basically, this Ova may assume the role of teachers, of future teachers, master the verb to be present, simple and interactive through immersive classroom challenges. As a main objective, this Ova represent all the processes of the students will carry out into the classroom, make it more interactive where students can follow their own process according to what they have learned. So as a first step, we got the knowledge bases, in which students are just carry out all the process academic routines concerning the grammar they're just going to focus on, and how we're going to find the way they're going to just to put into practice. I'm going to show you a little bit about how these take place. So above to be, as you can see, so introductory part about introduction and identity, students may put into practice all the grammar contents they just follow on. For instance, if we just can follow a simple structure of present simple, this amazing OVA is going to represent some of the mistakes that students basically make, and then we're just going to focus about all the practices that they carry out along the user over. So for the second step, we have an interactive simulations where the students put into the skill to the test in this teacher scenarios. So basically, we can put into practice. The students are going to put into practice all the grammar contents they just carry out, and we're just going to follow a set of structures for can see in the sample, students may interact with all the process, and finally they will get a certification about the master, how they master the use of language learning. So as a second step, we got the progress where the students can just follow about a learning report about the steps that they have and what is the total grades that they will occur. So, about these budgets, as you can see, is a low budget. Students are just going to carry out some notice, speakers, and spurt according to the skills that they will carry out or practice during the process of learning these tenses. So, as a second step, we can follow some start missions students where they're just going to carry out a sequence of tenses. Obviously, we may start with some practice procedures that they're just going to focus on. Basically, this is the OVA, and